Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. You guys, I have had the laziest day. I am starting this vlog at 4:45. Like, let me show you guys. I'm starting the vlog literally like at 5. I got Jenga and I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I got this as my secret Santa gift from my cousin's wife. Oh my gosh, look at me hugging it. Oof. Oof. Also I was gifted, oh my gosh, I swear you guys, down here it's like mayhem, but this is what I wanted to show you guys. I was also gifted these by a friend. I think these are the latest Huda glosses. Despite her, what's it called, her controversies, I was also gifted this by a friend. Shout out to her. I definitely want to check them out. I don't know if I should do that now, but I'll give you guys my feedback about this and also my Jenga. I guess when I'm doing like opening, I'm gonna like give you guys. I'm so excited. Like, yo, this is something I wanted so badly. Today's video is going to be, first of all, you know what, let me show you guys. Like, do not judge me whatsoever, please guys. I want us to do a cleaning, thorough cleaning of the house. It's 5. I'll probably be done like in 4 hours or 3 hours. This house is a mess. Like, I am just like, let me show you guys what I mean. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at the mess. And you think it's over. It's not over. You guys, what is that? That is dirt. As in, look at the kitchen. Look at the bloody kitchen. Look at that stain, you guys. Look at that trash. And it smells. Because the girl is hungry. So yeah, whoop, we are about to enjoy some rice. So my rice is ready. It looks so good. Look at that. So if you watched my tips for staying alone, then you know I have stew. Yep, so I'm about to just warm this, eat, and then start now the flour, because the flour is very disgusting.
2 hours later.
So guys, I have cleared up this room. It looks so much better. Everything is clean. I want to mop the house now. Get rid of that box of trash. And yeah. So the house is clean. I got rid of the stain. The trash is empty. And the house is clean. Yeah. Anyway guys, I am off to bed. I actually finished cleaning a long time ago. I drank my juice, I showered. I'm just ready to go to bed. It's raining. Anyway, thank you for staying tuned to Vlogmas Day 8. And before I wrap up, if you have stayed till the end of the video, you're a real one. You are a real one, and I honestly, heartily appreciate everyone who is watching these Vlogmas episodes, because y'all are the reason why I'm still doing them and I'm motivated. Like 2 more weeks to go. So yeah, I'm planning to do more business type of videos, especially the days that I don't have like something to vlog. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, mwah, bye.